Next-gen data centers are built upon modern overlays such as VXLAN. With the increasing need for scalability and high bandwidth to address customers' application requirements, more and more customers are adopting VXLAN fabric within their data centers. Organizations deploy VXLAN in their data centers through CLI, programmability, and various automation tools. VXLAN provides a lot of value and functionality. However, managing VXLAN-based fabric manually is challenging, as it is a complex overlay technology stitching many technological components together. To manually manage the VXLAN-based fabrics, data center operators must use many tools to deploy, operate, and maintain the data center. These tools may work independently from each other. NDFC provides a complete data center lifecycle management. This lifecycle management is not only limited to greenfield infrastructure, but also to brownfield infrastructures. NDFC seamlessly provides the flexibility to import existing brownfield infrastructure without any downtime. Importing existing infrastructure follows identical steps to creating a greenfield fabric, except turning on a few knobs and taking consideration of existing fabric parameters. We'll start by creating a fabric in NDFC, followed by defining the intent and some key variables. Make sure the autonomous system number is kept the same as the existing fabric. Once the fabric is created, you can discover the switches in the fabric. Ensure that the Preserve Config toggle button is on. This will ensure that all the config on the existing switches will not be removed. After defining the correct role for the nodes, NDFC will calculate, validate the configuration, and compare it with the existing configuration. NDFC ensures that the Cisco's best practices are deployed into the existing fabric. Existing fabric may have resources such as IP ranges, VLANs, VRF defined as per business requirements. NDFC will learn the topology, existing configuration, VPC, and all the resources like IP subnets, VNIs, VLANs, and many more. All the resources are pulled and managed by the Resource Manager in NDFC, which ensures no resource conflict and also provides intelligent allocation. Users can preview the best practices configuration and simultaneously compare the config drift. Once the config deployment is successful, users can start managing their infrastructure from NDFC and take advantage of numerous NDFC features as well as the granular visibility. This unique feature stands NDFC apart from its competitors, which claims true turnkey solution for data centers, but doesn't provide a platform to address issues incurred by upgrading or adding to an existing network, or brownfield deployment. NDFC provides true import of brownfield configurations, including associated resources used on every device within that deployment. The network can then be managed as if initially provisioned by the NDFC as a greenfield deployment.